Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths revision class. In today's class we will do data handling revision, that is your collection and organization of data. In this you have learned about mean, mode and median. So let's revise it first. What is mean, what is mode and what is median, and then I will share the question paper with you. Okay, so for finding the mean we have to find mean, mode and median. So for finding the mean, the formula is, you will write the observation first. Whatever observation is given to you, you will write it first in ascending order. For mean it is not required children, but if it will be in your habit, that will be good for you. So write down the data in ascending order, then sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. This is the mean. Okay. For mode you will have highest number of occurrence highest occurrence of that data, highest occurrence of that data, highest occurrence of the data is the mode. Okay, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया है with the observation which comes often. It may be 1, it may be 2 also. And then median children, middle most value. For median you have two formulas. For median if you have two formulas, if it is odd number of observation, so for odd number of observation you will find out what is n. If n is 5 then it is odd number of observation. 5 observation अगर आप दिए तो n is 5. So you will find the n here first. Then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. n plus 1 by 2th observation. ये हो जाएगा आपका for finding the median of odd number of observation. What if it is even number of observation? Even number observation, अगर ये even number observation हुआ तो so for that median is equal to what children? Half of n by 2th observation, ठीक है, n by 2th observation plus फिर आप आएंगे n by 2 again you will write an additional plus 1, so n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, this will give you the median for even number of observation. If even number of observation is there in your data, like if you are having 12 number of observation, so what will be the median of that? 12 है तो 6, which one is the middlemost? So for this you will use this formula, half of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, so in this way you can use the formulas for finding mean, mode and median. For frequency table also, if 2 occurs 7 times, so 2 you will write here, then you will write tally marks and then you will write the frequency. यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे डेटा, तो डेटा दिया गया है, the observation, ठीक है. अगर आपका 7 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 2 आने की फ्रीक्वेंसी 7 है, so you will write 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5 ऐसे, ठीक है, 5 and then 6 and 7. In this way you can show the tally marks. Okay, right now you are not able to show it, so you just have an idea of the tally marks and then focus on the formulas. Always write down the formula and then start writing the values. Like if n is 7 here, so you will write 7 plus 1 by 2th. So ये हो जाएगा 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 means 4th observation, not 4. Median is not 4. ये 8 by 2 है तो 4 हो गया, नहीं. It's 4th observation. Now you will see the observation which is written in ascending order. Always children, the value which is written in ascending order. So 4th observation जो उसमें होगी वो होगा median. Same here, if the value of n is 12. Imagine that value of n is, the observation is 12. So n is 12 here. So ये हो जाएगा half of 12 by 2. 12/2 मीन्स 6 ऑब्जर्वेशन. सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपने जो लिखा है डेटा को, जो ऑब्जर्वेशन आपने लिखी है उसमें से जो 6 ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसको लिखेंगे. फिर यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे 1/2 एंड यू विल सी दैट 6 ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड यू विल राइट हियर. देन प्लस एंड देन n/2 मीन्स अगेन 12/2 6 प्लस 1. 6 हो गया पहले तो 6 में फिर प्लस 1 तो 7th ऑब्जर्वेशन हो गई. तो 7th ऑब्जर्वेशन देखिए टेबल उसमें जो आपने डेटा अरेंज किया है इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, नॉट इन एनी ऑर्डर. कोई भी क्वेश्चन में दिया उसी ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखना है. फर्स्ट अरेंज इन इट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ऑलवेज अरेंज इट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर चिल्ड्रन, दैट विल बी गुड फॉर यू. तब आप भूलेंगे नहीं. सबसे पहले आपका काम ही यही है कि मीन मोड मीडियन निकालना है. तो राइट डाउन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ऑल्दो इन मीन वी डिड नॉट रिक्वायर, अगर होगा तो वो आपके लिए ही आसान हो जाएगा. सो 6 ऑब्जर्वेशन की वैल्यू वहां से लीजिए और यहाँ लिखिए. 7th ऑब्जर्वेशन सी फ्रॉम द ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड देन write down 7th observation and then add them and divide it by 2. So in this way you will get the median. ठीक है. So I hope the formula part is clear to you and it is revised. So now what we will do, I am going to share the screen one by one. I will show you the question paper. Question number 1, 2, 3 till I think it's 20 questions children, set of 20 question, or let me see it first. And then what you will do, you will write down it in the chat box that question number 1 this option is correct. Question number 2, if you will not write questions children, so how I will judge that which question option is you are writing? So write down question number 1 and then start then question number 2 and then this. Okay, if you are very fast, be with the flow of questions, and then write it in your rough notebook also, so that once I will show you the answer sheet through the school app, you can match it. Okay, so let's see the screen children. As you can see the screen, some questions are there related with the data handling chapter, your mean, mode, median. You have to find this. Okay, so now see the first one. I hope you people are ready with your rough notebook. The mean of the first 5 whole number is. What is the mean of first 5 whole number children? Do it quickly. The mean of first 5 whole number. If you are having rough notebook, you can easily do it. Otherwise, maybe it will be late. So write down all the first 5 number first, and then you have to know. You should know that what is the formula for finding mean, mode, and median. So here we have to find mean. I hope everyone is writing here. Now let's see the next question. Total 20 questions are there and some probability questions are also there, which I will say, I will definitely inform you at that time that you will not supposed to do those questions. Now see the next one. Second question. The mean of first 5 natural number is. The mean of first 5 natural number is. So what are first 5 natural number? Just write down it and find out the mean. What will be the answer children? Come on. If you have done first, second will be easy for you. Now see the next. Third question. The mean of first 7 natural number. The mean of first 7 natural number children. First 7 natural number. What will be the answer? Answer, come on. Third answer. Now let's see the next question number 4. Median of first 10 natural number. It will take time children, so I am also waiting for you. Write down the median of write down the first 10 natural number first and then do it. first 10 natural number. Okay, now it is 10. So median for even or odd? You know it. Do it, children. Answer have come, children. Come on. Now next. Question number 5. The median of first 10 prime numbers. The median of first 10 prime numbers. Prime number. You just write down the prime number in ascending order first. You have to take first 10 prime number. Then come on. I hope you all have written first 10 prime numbers, and now solve it, children. What is the answer? Is it coming? Is the answer is coming? Okay. It will take time, isn't it? Now next question. I hope you all are writing here. Write it in the chat box, children. Question number 6. Let me minimize it. Okay. After minimizing, yes, this question is still here only. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. What will be their mean score? A cricketer scores of the following, cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So you can see 8 datas are there. 58 in first inning, 76 in second inning. Now you have to find the mean score. What is the mean score? So mean formula is, you know it, apply it, children. Find out the value and divide it by that value. Which value? I don't know. You have to do, because you are giving test right now. You are evaluating yourself, how much you know. It will take time, I know. If you will do the things, it will take time. So I am also waiting, children. I am waiting for my students. Now let's move to the 7th question. 6th question is over. Okay, see the 7th. What will be the range of following data? What will be the range of following data? Question number 7. Range, children. So you know that I suggest you to write down the values always in ascending order. Although in mean it is not required, but if you will be in habit, then you will not do mistake in any question. So always try to arrange the data in ascending order and then see what is range. Range I have told you already, although it is not in the book, but I know what you people were knowing about it. Range. Okay, let's find out what is the range. Which one? Come on. And 32, 41, 28, 54. रेंज क्या है बेटा इसकी? What is the range? Now see the next. See the next, children. Yes. Let's see this. Is it? Yes. It's visible. It's visible, children. Okay. Now question number 8 is saying, which observation in the following data has maximum frequency? maximum frequency which data is having? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? So what is the answer? Okay, frequency, maximum frequency. Okay, everyone please write in the chat box. Now next question, children. You all have done. Question number 8 we have done. Then question number 9. A tally mark. This shows frequency. What is the frequency of this tally mark, children? Question number 9. What is the tally mark? This tally mark shows how much frequency about the particular observation. Now next. Okay. Yes. Come on, write down in the chat box. If you are not writing, please write down. Next. A data can have dash mode. A data can have dash mode. Only 1, only 2, only 3 or more than 1. So what is your answer? What is your answer, children? Just write down. Question number 10, answer is this. Question number 10, option is this. Write down. Write in the chat box, children. All of you please write. Everyone should participate. Now next. Question number 11. Median of data. This are. What is the median? So let's see how many data, how many observations are there. Try to arrange it in ascending order and then apply the particular median formula. Otherwise, if you will not arrange now, then maybe you are doing wrong thing. Okay, all of you write down the answer. What is the median of this data? Question number 11. Now let's move to the 12th question. Should I go? Median is over now, I think. Question number 11 you have done. Now question number 12. There are, okay, this is the probability question, children, so we are not doing this. There are 6 marble in a box which with number 1 to 6. 6 marbles hai. In one marble 1 is printed, in another marble 2 is printed, in another marble 3 is there. So in this way 1 to 6 is were marked on that. What is the probability of drawing a marble with 2? So total how many, let me show you. This is not for you, let me tell you the answer of this. Total were 6. How many? 6. And how many marbles are there in which 2 is marked on them? 2 is marked on that marble. How many marbles are there? So 2 is marked on only 1 marble, because 1 to 6 were marked na, and 6 marbles are there and 1 to 6 were marked. So 2 marked in only 1. So out of 6 it is 1. So this is the probability. So this will be the answer, children. Okay. Now next, question number 12 you will not do. Question number 13 also you will not do. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability of your team to start? So obviously it is 1 by 2, because if a coin is flipped, one chance either head come or tail come. So you are having half probability. Out of 2 chances, your winning probability is 1. So 1 by 2. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? If you will throw a die, you can have 1 or you can have 2 or you can have 3. See children, these are not in your syllabus, but definitely you will learn this in maths. So just spend 5 minutes for it. 4, 5, and then after 5 you will have 6 also. So you will throw a die, either you will get 1 on that top, or on the top you will get 2. So what are the prime numbers? 2 is the prime number. Okay. 3 is also a prime number. Is 4 is a prime number? No. 5 is also a prime number, and 6 is also not a prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 1 is not prime number, children. So out of 6 numbers are there, na? So out of 6 chances, the probability of getting a prime is 1, 2 and 3. That means 2 will come, 3 will come, or 5 will come. Then it will be a prime number. So total 3. So if you will cut this is 1 and this is by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. This will be the answer. So these question 13 and 14 you will not do, children. 12 also. 12 is also not in your syllabus. 12, 13 and 14 you will not do. Now 15. From 15 again the question has started. Median of data this is. What is the median of this data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observation, children. So you can do it quickly. Come on. You know what you have to do it first, and then start finding the median by using the formula. I am waiting, children, for your answer. Median of the data. Total even number of observation or odd number of observation, and then you will use that formula. Now see the next one. A batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. 36, 35, 50, 46, 60, 55. Find the mean run scored by him in an inning. ठीक है, total 6 innings है, और the question is asking what is the mean run. So what you will do, you will find the mean of it. For finding the mean, the formula is, come on, the formula is to sum of observation divided by number of observation. So you can use this formula, add all the observation and divide it by number. How many observations are there? 6. So 6 by 6 you will divide the addition of all numbers. Add all the numbers and divide it by 6. It will give you mean. Okay. So now 17. Find the mean of first 10. Oh, this is not old, children. This is odd natural number. This is not odd. Old क्या होता है? Old nothing. It is odd number. है ना? Misprinting है बच्चों. So it is odd number. Find the mean of first 10 odd natural number. First 10 odd natural number. I am waiting, children. It's a big question, so I am waiting. I am giving you time. Come on. Is it done? Mean of first 10 odd number? Okay. Is it done? I think everyone has done. Now, same question. The median of first 10 even natural number. Even natural number. There it was odd natural number. Now it is even natural number. So what is the median of first 10 even natural number? So this will be, start from 2, then 4, then 6. You know it very well. Do it fast. Do it fast, children. Okay. Done, children? Is it done? Next, question number 18, I think it's done. Question number 19, the mean of first 10 prime number. I think we have done this. No, we have not done. Mean पूछ रहा है बेटा. Earlier it was median. So mean of first 10 prime numbers. What are the first 10 prime numbers? Write down it, do the addition and then find the mean. Okay, maybe it will come in decimal, as you can see all the options. So just do it fast. Now see question number 20. 20 is last question, children. So question number 20. See this. The mode of given set of numbers. The mode of given set of numbers is, what is the mode here? 2, 14, 16, 12, 14, 14, 16, 14, 10, 14, 18, 14. So what is mode here, children? Mode. Done? It's easy. How many times a particular data occurs? This maximum number of frequency hoga, so then it will be called as mode. Okay. So now I hope the question answer session is clear to you. I will upload the answers where, children? In your school app. Okay, from there you can see the answer. So till then you can see all the questions one by one. I am revising the paper and then check your answer again. See the first one, then second, okay, then third, this is fourth, fifth. You can replay the video again if in any question you are having doubt. So before looking on the answer sheet, you can see it again also if you are having confusion. So you can replay the video, children. This is sixth. I know I am unable to give you much time, so just rewind the video and see it again if you are having problem in any question. Till then, children, revise all the things, and after 6 p.m. today you can see the answer sheet. In which section? In under math subject, and the chapter name is annual syllabus, worksheets and practical. There I have given all. Okay, I will give it one by one every day, so see that.